Okay, so what do neuromuscular electrical stimulation, no-hitters, and love connection calculators have in common? Plenty for Lily, a student in Hanover's Doctor of Physical Therapy program. Lily also earned her bachelor's degree at Hanover and returned to continue pitching for Hanover's softball team while earning her doctorate. Okay, so please add all these pieces up for us, Lily. Take it away.
Thanks for the intro, Alex. Hi, everyone. Growing up, I knew I always wanted to pursue a career in the healthcare field, whether it was veterinary medicine, pharmacy, or the field I'm currently pursuing, physical therapy. I'm currently enrolled in Hanover College's hybrid Doctor Physical Therapy program. It's an accelerated 2-year program that is completed largely online, but offers multiple in-person lab immersions. The labs take place in some of the very same classrooms where I completed my undergraduate degree as a kinesiology and integrated physiology major. Some of my undergrad courses included working hands-on in the human cadaver lab and using a lifelike patient simulator. As a graduate student, I'm still able to experience a close relationship with faculty and staff members while continuing to gain hands-on experience. I'm confident my Hanover education will help me care for my future patients. I've not only been a student here at Hanover College, but I'm also an athlete. As a pitcher on the softball team, I have learned teamwork, time management, and conviction in my work both on and off the field. Some of my favorite memories from being on the team include traveling to Florida to compete. It's a great chance to bond as a team. Plus, I have also thrown 2 no-hitters, and I hold the school record for the most career strikeouts. You will find one particular person in the stands that is always cheering for me, and that's my husband, Jared. We met at Hanover in the cadaver lab. He was the professor's assistant, though we did not truly start dating until next semester in statistics class. It all started with a simple question: do we need a graphing calculator for this class? And ever since then, we've been inseparable. I'm lucky to have not only met my husband here, but also some of my very best friends through softball and my major. The experiences and relationships I have made throughout my Hanover journey will forever remain with me. That's my story. Throwing it back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Lily. 2 degrees, 2 no-hitters, and a husband. That's a pretty stellar college career. Hanover's 2-year hybrid Doctor of Physical Therapy program combines the best of Hanover's liberal arts education with virtual learning and hands-on experience. Hanover's DPT students come from all over the country, but transition into a close-knit community during their online discussions and multiple face-to-face immersions during the year. Thank you for sharing your incredible story, Lily.